Hi everybody, I'm Samarth. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pinhole camera so that you can safely view the solar eclipse which is going to happen tomorrow. First of all, you need a shoebox. Now, take a A4 sheet of paper and cut it according to the size of the shoebox and stick it as I've shown in this video. Now on the opposite side of the shoebox, cut two rectangular pieces so that it looks something like this. Now take a small square piece of tin foil and make a hole using a nail exactly in the middle of it, and now stick it on one of the rectangle hole which you have cut. Now the pinhole camera is complete and now ready to use. Now I'm going to tell you guys how a pinhole camera works. So this is the pinhole and this is the eyepiece. The light rays which come from a very far body such as the sun get converged over here in the pinhole and they form a small inverted image on the screen, which is the white A4 sheet in our case. Now when we look from here through the eyepiece, we can see the image projected over here. So this is how it works.